Magagawad kay Genesaret R. Ababad. Siya po ang nagkabit ng pinakamataas na pangkalahatan grado sa asignaturang Organization and Management, Fundamentals of Accounting 1, Business and Management 1, Business Mathematics, Principles of Marketing, Fundamentals of Accounting 2, Business and Management 2, Business Finance, Business Ethics and Social Responsibility, and Applied Economics. Pangataas na karangalan, Genesaret R. Ababad.